Okay, so as you've probably seen from the videos, this is going to be we're going to be factoring it, and this middle guy kind of gives you a clue what's going to be in the first part of our factoring. And you could use the method I use where I multiply the outer edges and split the middle. You can do all that kind of stuff, but I'm just going to go ahead and do guess and check on this one. So I know I'm going to have a 5 and an x to the 1/3, and then another just x to the 1/3. And so see if those multiply together, that gives me that 5x to the 2/3. And then now I got to figure out what to put here and here to give me that -3, but then add up to that -14. And so I believe the -3 should go here and the +1 should go here. So that multiplies to give me -3, but then the inner and the outer would add up to -14x to the 1/3. And so that should be good. And so now the last part is we want to take each one of these and set them equal to 0 and solve. And so for this first one, let's see, 5x to the 1/3 plus 1 equals 0. So we're going to subtract 1 from both sides. And then what we want to do next is we'll go ahead and cube both sides. Or I'm sorry, we want to divide by 5, and then uh, we'll cube both sides. So we'll get x to the 1/3 equals -1/5. And then now we'll go ahead and cube both sides. And so when I cube it, it's going to nullify the 1/3 power. And so we'll get x to the, and then -1 to the third power is -1. And then 5 to the third power is 125. So there's one of my answers right there. There's the negative 1 over 125. And then our next one, we'll take this, set it equal to 0 and solve. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. So then we're going to have x to the 1/3 equals 3. And then we raise both sides to a power of 3. So we'll get x equals 27 right there after 3 to the third power. 3 times 3 times 3. And that's how I got the 27. So I hope this helps. And if you got a couple other ones you want to send me, feel free to do that.